Meantime, new developments in the deadly police shooting of Laquan McDonald. Tonight, we're hearing from the police officer accused of killing the teenager. CBS 2's Mai Martinez has more on what the officer told the court.
Jason Van Dyke took the stand today, but as he testified, the judge only allowed audio of his testimony to be recorded.
Did Detective March ever tell you that if you fail to answer his questions, you would be disciplined?
I don't remember exactly what was said, but it's my understanding that if you didn't cooperate or speak to him, you could be fired, and that I would be fired.
And you remember?
Van Dyke's attorney says that fear of being fired is why the officer talked to both Detective David March and Deputy Chief David McNaughton at the scene and later that night.
Did you provide those statements voluntarily?
No.
Did you believe that you were ordered to provide those statements?
Yes, I did.
CBS 2 legal analyst Irv Miller says in some cases those statements can't be used against an officer.
If a police officer is faced with a choice, keep your job or give a statement, that's a coerced statement. It won't come in the statement into court at a future date. It's protected.
But on the stand, McNaughton testified Van Dyke spoke to him freely.
Did you ever tell him that he could be fired if he didn't participate in the conversation?
I did not.
Just yesterday, Detective March was indicted along with 2 other officers for conspiracy, official misconduct, and obstruction of justice connected to the Laquan McDonald shooting. Also said he didn't order Van Dyke to talk.
I told him that I needed to know what happened. I informed him that I had been told that there was some video of the incident. I told him I hadn't seen it yet, but I had been informed that there was some video, and so therefore it was important that he be truthful with me.
The judge ruled that Van Dyke's statements to March are not protected, but statements to McNaughton are and therefore cannot be used against him. March and McNaughton were both granted use immunity today. Rob and Erica, that means their testimony cannot be used against them.
That was really interesting. We saw a video of all the testimony of the other folks involved except Van Dyke. What was that all about?
His attorney asked that he not be videotaped while testifying. They were still shots. Those are the pictures we used are from today, but we could use the audio, just no video of him testifying.
Interesting. All right, thanks.